आपको इसका फ़ायदा हो सके। ठीक है, अब एक थिंग वन चीज़ मैं बोलना चाह रहा हूँ, द नंबर ऑफ वीडियोस आर अवेलेबल ऑन द यूट्यूब regarding Power BI, but I can guarantee you the depth I'm going to teach you guys. I think no one, or you'll definitely find मतलब कोई एक ही मिलेगा आपको जो आई थिंक जो इतने डेप्थ में बता पाएगा आपको। ठीक है, सो आई एम ट्राइंग बिकॉज मैंने being a non-technical guy have struggled a lot to learn these skills, this tool and other tools also, so I know how to teach and what concepts, what things a student or beginner try to look inside this tool, right? So I'm going to teach each and every aspect or part of the tool. So make sure you're commenting whatever you feel that you don't understand, you or you want to learn, or whatever the concepts are there where you find struggling in the learning Power BI. So make sure you comment down, I'll read it, and I'll definitely post a video on it, right? But I'll suggest, if you are trying to learn Power BI, then definitely follow my Power BI's playlist so that you will learn a lot, right? So with that, I assume you had subscribed already. So see you in the next video. Thank you guys. Thank you. Hello guys. So this video, I have featured myself in this video. I always wanted to feature myself in a video so that I'll be visible to you guys and you guys can connect well with me, right? But the problem is the laptop I'm using, sometimes it lags while recording the videos, right? So that's why I didn't use it. But I thought, let's try it once. If it allows correctly, and then we'll continue with this, right? So आज की वीडियो में क्या देखेंगे? Obviously it is the next step, next part in our series, right? As of now we have talked about the data import part, and we have simply imported the data from CSV files, right? So as we have seen, if you have not seen the previous videos, I suggest you guys to go and watch the previous video so that you will link in throughout the series, right? So let's start. i'll I'll pin the link in the comment, or you can find it in the description, right? For the playlist. ठीक है, तो नेक्स्ट वीडियो का नेक्स्ट लेक्चर स्टार्ट करते बोल सकते, या फिर नेक्स्ट लर्निंग स्टार्ट करते, राइट? So we have imported three tables, right? This table we have merged it: calendar, customer, product categories, product subcategories, right? Again, product lookup, returns data, sales data, territory lookup. Sales data, what we did, we imported it from a folder. We have seen import from a direct CSV file. We have seen import from directly from the folder, but we have not seen it how to import data from the database. In one of the video we will see that also, but let's stick to this series and this learning so that we can move forward, right? We will see that importing data from a database in one of the video. I will post it definitely. Okay, so let's start. I think, okay, so this interface, this UI, you know, I actually, right? We have talked about it. So in left hand side you can see the, in left hand side of the screen where you are seeing my cursor. So these are views, right? There are three types of views mainly: report view, table view, and the section where you can model or create the model, that is model view. One new query is a new view is also available, that is DAX query view. We will see in one of the part, right? But we can go to table as of now, table view, and we see that there are different tables. So when I click on the calendar lookup, I see there are calendar date values. So let's, for this video, go to the transform and deal with the deal with what, dates, right? Go to transform, going to Power Query. I'm back to Power Query editor, and in that section I'm going to deal with the date part, right? So let's drag it to bottom. Correct. Why did I did? Why I did? Now you see that it is lagging. so that's why I don't use it. Okay, focus on the video. Right. In this calendar lookup, if I want to see the reports on the basis of different parts of the date. So what are the different parts of the date? In the date we have already given with. Give me a second, guys. I'll just turn this off. Right. It is disturbing. Or I can directly cancel this one. So here we go. Make sure you focus on the content, right, on the screen, so that we can have a good understanding of the concepts, right. In this calendar lookup, the date column is given, but in my reports I want to generate reports on the basis of different years only, or the different quarters of the years, or the months of the years, or the week of the years, or let's say on a particular day. So what should we do to create that? It is very simple, guys. In Power BI backend, that is Power Query, you can go to add column. So why I'm going to add column? I just want to add a new column where the dates are there. So new column will consist of a part of a date. Let's say I am going to try and find the years only, right? So how can I get the years? So we are looking at the add column ribbon, right. In that ribbon I'm having a date, format, date and time section. So in this section I have the date section active. So you see there are multiple options that are grayed out. So what does it mean? It clearly means that they are not operated on this date column. So merge column, right, there's only one column and I can't merge it, right. In this part, right. Statistics, I cannot get the statistics of the date. Standard deviation, scientific function cannot be applied on this date in this column. Trigonometry, I cannot apply it on. Rounding off, I don't want to round it, or we cannot round off the date. Okay, obviously this time date function does not contain any timestamp. Otherwise we had a data type that is date and time, but we cannot assign it because in our column values, in our values we don't have any time. Okay, duration, that is also regarding with the timestamp only. So what do we have? We have dates only. So the in from date and time section we have only date section activated. So it's great. We just want that only. So we are inside the add column. Now we want to add a part of the date into a new column. So what can we do to achieve that? So go to the date column, click on the date. We have lots of options. We have a lot of options, definitely. So what do we want? I want a year. Do you want to start of year? Do you want the end of year? Okay, this is about year only. Months, there are different types of month. You can get it quarters, weeks, day, right? And there are some other options also. As of now, we can get a year. It's very simple to get the years from this date. You seen that there is a column, or there is a step added. There is a step added like inserted year. In that section we have seen how to insert the year. Now you can see there is a data type whole number. So how, why this data type is whole number? Because the numbers are the whole numbers only. No, this is no more a date only, this is a part of date, and this is a years only, so it will be whole number. We'll go to the add column, go to again to date. Oh my god, this time it is not activated. Why? Obviously because we don't have, this is not a date column, right. So we have to jump back to our base column, which is date, or the original column, the base column, right. Now see, this date is activated. Okay, great. Now this time I want the years only, but this time let's try and find month value. In this month value I go to start of months, right. Anything which you want. I want start of month to be available here, right. You can see that 1st of Jan, 1st of Jan, 1st of Jan, 1st of Jan. Oh my god. Okay, we find here second of, sorry, first of Feb, right? First of Feb, we find first of March. So it is getting me a start of months only. So these are the 1 2 3 4 5 to 31, 31st of the January. Where is it? 31st of January. So 1/1/2020. 1 2 because second month started over here, right? It is very simple. Now where can I, but this time we have this column selected. So whenever you generate a new column, this will be based on this columns only. But in our case, we want to generate the values based on this column, the original, the base column, the date base column, right? So let make sure you are clicked on this column, right? Let us try to understand what happens when you click on this. When you click on this, try to get the, let's say, name of month, right? Got it. So January, Jan, Feb, March, April, May. Okay. So I want this to be January, right? Let's find this is correct only. If you find the month name based on this column or this column, it will show the same because this is for Jan month, this was February month, right? So month name will be same, but if you try to find the day name, right? Let's start and find. Okay, the UI is, I don't like it. I think ये पावर बीआई का यूआई जो है ना, ये थोड़ा कुछ तो इसमें ग्लिच है, राइट? Start of a date. I want day name of day, right? When I click on this, you will find a single name of day, right? Oh my god, what happened? Only Wednesday. Then go to Saturday, Sunday, right? But I don't want this, right? What I want is, suppose this is Wednesday. This should be Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, right? Tuesday, Wednesday. I want like this. But this has given me the Wednesday for entire month, right? So what can we do? So there are two times we have applied the step. We can delete the step, since the column will delete automatically. Again, I want to delete this. Yeah, it will delete that step also. I want to delete it again because I have inserted the month name, right? I will go to this one. Okay, you see the UI has it may be my it may be Power BI's issue, or it may be my device problem, but I'm gonna let's start it again. Okay, I just close this. Do you want to save changes? Yes, I want to save it because it will save it, load it to the front end now, and when I go back again, then I'll find these steps applied already, right? I again go to transform tab, home menu, go to transform tab, I click on the transform, I came back to the Power Query. Okay, I again click on this add column. Let's say I click on the home transform tab, I go to date column, and I want the month name, right? Name of month. When I click on the name of month, so transform tab will transform the content inside the column, and definitely add column will add such operations into the next column. So you make sure that you are click on the right ribbon, right? So this time we want to click on the add column, go to add column, right? Go to dates, add column, from date and time go to dates, and add name of month of to the new column, right? It is very simple. Again, I want to add a column, I want to go to date, and as we talked about, as we talked already, it is something related with the UI or the my device only, let it be, but I'll just add it. The column has been added, right? Now you see how the days are shown. Day name: Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, right? It is correct. I want it like this only. Good one. So let's try and close it again. I know this is something irritating. It may irritate you, but this is how it is, the UI problem at my end. If it not occur at your end, it is great. Again, I go to home, I go to transform, I came back to the power query, right? This time I see these options or these steps has been applied. Start inserted start of month, name, month name, day name. Okay, good. Let's collapse this so that we get more or extra space. So let's try to squeeze it so that we can get more space. Click on the date. Make sure you don't have a long video. How long it has been? 14 minutes. Okay, let's have 5 minutes extra to convert this table. Add to Go to add column, go to date. Now what I want start of month. Actually I did it already. So what I can do, okay, inserted start of month only. I can delete this step. It will ask, do you want to this delete the intermediate step? So if you do like this, if some steps has been applied on this after the steps, then it says that subsequent steps will be affected. Okay, but we did not apply anything based on this, right? So we can delete it. Oh, because of any reason you want to do like this, so you make sure you're doing the correct states operations. Okay, start of month. I clicked on the start of month. Okay, great. I can click on the date. Go to date. I want this time start of quarter. So it will give me the start of quarters. You can see one first of month to the it again started to the fourth month. So it is the Jan- January, February, March, April. So three. There are 4 quarters. Okay. So next quarter started at first date in April. Okay. Again I go to original column. Again I go to date. Again I go to start of month. Let's start of quarter. Again start of week. Let's get everything whichever you want. Start of week. Okay. Okay. So we have imported uh, dates required. Okay. what else do you want? तो कुछ भी नहीं किया इसमें, हमने डेट्स में से अलग अलग पार्ट्स हमने निकाल लिए. ठीक है. Okay, go to home, close and apply. You go here, you see that you got lots of dates. Initially you had only one date column, now you have lot of dates. So the data types is correct only, just यहाँ पे हमें थोड़ा सा formatting change करना है. Now you click on the calendar lookup, go to a particular column, so the column tools will be pop up automatically. When you click on the calendar lookup table tools, click lookup. When you click on the column tools will be pop up. Now you go to format, it is long date. I want short date, like I just want numbers only. I don't want a July to be written, instead I want a 7 to be written. Okay, start of month, same. Go to format, make it short. Now the rest part, yes, I go here, start of quarter also I want a short date. When I go to start of week, again I don't want a June, right? I don't want June, instead I want to see the 6. Now we see the 6, right? So here you see the summation side. Tell me that, do you want to find the total of this year value? Do you want to find? Let's go and okay, you definitely you don't want to see the total, right? Instead you want to assign this year as a categorical value. So why are you calculating it as sum or average, minimum, maximum, count, distinct count? I don't want it. I want it to don't summarize. So sign will be off from here. The thing will happen when you keep it as summation, but Power BI will understand that value to a numeric value. But we want it to use in a visualization as a categorical value. Suppose I want to find the sale of 20, 21, and 22. So these values are becoming definitely categorical values. So I intentionally made it as a don't categorize, right? So I think we are dealt already with something with the date part, and for next session we are going to find something else in the new data, right? The rest of the data or some parts remaining inside this table, date related part. Okay, oh, here we go guys. Good. Let me have my I want to talk to you. I have request that you guys, if you are मतलब आपने अगर यहाँ तक देखा है तो definitely you have liked something about this video. So I request you guys to subscribe the channel, share with your friends, and if you मतलब आपको अगर share नहीं भी करना है but let's try and subscribe, comment अगर आपको कुछ समझ में आया है, अगर आपको कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है so make sure you are commenting down, right? Why? It is the way of learning. It will happen two way communications. अगर आप कमेंट करोगे तो डेफिनेटली मैं पढ़ दूंगा उसको. जब मैं पढ़ूंगा तो मुझे समझ में आएगा कि आपको क्या अच्छा लग रहा है, क्या अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, राइट? सो दैट आई कैन इम्प्रूव इन माई कंटेंट एंड आपको इसका फायदा हो सके. ठीक है. अब एक थिंग वन चीज़ मैं बोलना चाह रहा हूँ. द नंबर ऑफ वीडियोस आर अवेलेबल ऑन द यूट्यूब रिगार्डिंग पावर बी आई, but I can guarantee you the depth I'm going to teach you guys. I think no one, or you'll definitely find मतलब कोई एक ही मिलेगा आपको जो आई थिंक जो इतने डेप्थ में बता पाएगा आपको. ठीक है. सो आई एम ट्राइंग बिकॉज मैंने being a non-technical guy have struggled a lot to learn these skills, this tool and other tools also. So I know how to teach and what concepts, what things a student or beginner try to look inside this tool, right? So I'm going to teach each and every aspect or part of the tool. So make sure you're commenting whatever you feel that you don't understand, you or you want to learn, or whatever the concepts are there where you find struggling in the learning Power BI. So make sure you comment down, I'll read it, and I'll definitely post an video on it, right? But I'll suggest, if you are trying to learn Power BI, then definitely follow my Power BI's playlist so that you will learn a lot, right? So with that, I assume you had subscribed already. So see you in the next video. Thank you guys. Thank you.